I genuinely feel like, to be honest, Strathmore Law School is the place to be if you want to study law.
One word to describe the trip. Refreshing.
Wholesome.
Exotic.
Exhilarating.
Awesome. Mind-blowing.
Eye-opening.
I think that this was a wonderful trip, and the timing of it was really perfect in that it comes right after your third year, and I think this is a point at which we have a good understanding of the law, and at the same time we are exhausted, and so it serves as a good learning purpose as well as a good break for the students away from the university for a bit.
My experience so far has been one of excitement. We've attended quite a few lectures. We were at the Peace Palace, which is where the International Court of Justice is. Secondly, we visited the Kenyan embassy. And thirdly, we visited our Women's Foundation in the Netherlands, where we had a lecture that was given by the prosecutor, who would be the DPP in our country. The key lessons from these lectures that we've had is, of course, transparency, because systems just work here. There's a lot of accountability and honesty, and it's been quite interesting to see how a government runs and how things function when a government runs well.
The aim of this trip is to give the students a transformative student experience and to ensure that they get to see the world beyond the Kenyan borders and see how the law works out there as such. So the aim of this was to always ensure that the students get an experience that they will never forget, and an experience that will also enrich their student life and professional life.
From a leadership perspective, we can be able to see a government that is able to serve its people. We can be able to see what impact that has and the benefit that it has, I guess, at scale for people. We can be able to see a semblance of order, semblance of peace and harmony, and why this would be really, really good across board.
I actually chose to come for this trip to see how the student experience is enhanced, and also to see mentoring in practice. The long life learning that we try to pass on through mentoring, more or less to check, is it really something that is making sense? Can students really associate with it? And it's part of that long life learning.
I feel like young people should actually embark on such a trip, as it helps them to learn more about how other countries function, so they can implement the same system in their own country.
Let it sink in that your passport now has a few stamps in and out. For them not to lose hope that we will never get to this point. We shall. Even these people are 200 years old. Kenya is only 60 years old. So we definitely can't get there. But it needs them who have had such an experience to take this change back home and be innovative as such.
To the management of Strathmore University, I would just like to extend my heartiest thank you for organizing this trip.
It's been really informative. We've had great fun learning from experts.
I really enjoyed it, and I really appreciate you doing all this for us.
We were very grateful to SLS for organizing this trip.